Hello, friends. How are you? I think you had been missing me these days. Actually, I was busy in one of my very precious work that I was doing since maybe 4 or 5 years. My book on botany, the advanced botany, and this one is volume two. Volume one is already there. You might have seen it, and if not, go and buy it. I will provide the link below for online purchase. So this book is actually about, let me show you the book. This is the first volume of my book, Advanced Botany, and it contains subject areas like biochemistry, plant physiology, ecology, phytogeography, pharmacognosy, and economic botany. So this is very precise treatment, I would say, without compromising information. To highlight some of the things, I will rather say that the biochemistry portion, in the biochemistry portion, you get all the things like carbohydrate, amino acid, lipids, nucleic acids, etc. But the difference is this, that in every chapter, like in protein chapter, you will get how to purify protein, sequencing protein, how to sequence proteins, etc., and protein folding related things. So a little bit advanced type treatment has also been done. When you are seeing the DNA, you also get their non-Watson-Crick bonding along with the other things that are there. There is a chapter on plant pigments and secondary metabolite in plant biochemistry portion. There is a chapter on bioenergetics and thermodynamics. This will also satisfy the microbiology students. The biochemistry of this book is good enough for the microbiology, biotechnology students. Not only biochemistry, plant physiology portion, the ecology portion, and pharmacognosy and economic botany, if you consider all these, this will be useful for the pharmacognosy student as well. And plant physiology and biochemistry definitely will serve the purpose of agriculture science students also. So this book covers the satisfies the botany students, UG and PG level, also the agriculture student, plant biotechnology student, microbiology student, and pharmacognosy students. So many different, because this is an allied subject, and those students who require plant science, these portions mainly. I did not write any book on the classical portion like algae, fungi, bryophyte, etc., because there are very good books on those areas. I will rather try later on. I will think upon this, that how I can make some different treatment on those areas, making the third volume if possible. So the second volume is going to contain genetics, cell and molecular biology, and microbiology along with the virology, plant breeding, biometry. It will also contain plant biotechnology, that means the tissue culture portion. And there is one chapter. There is one chapter on bioinformatics also, and in the appendix section, lastly I added this one. I added lastly about 22-23 pages are there on the analytical techniques in plant science. This is a paper in CBCS system of undergraduate level in UGC. The name of the chapter is Instrumentation Biology, but basically it deals with the analytical, same thing. So these things are there in all biological sciences, zoology, botany, everywhere, biotechnology, whatever you do. So, and bioinformatics also is a very basic chapter. There are about 20-23 pages on that, and from the history and development to what tools are used in current days, and those the alignment processes like the local and the global alignment and the multiple alignment, etc. All those things are discussed. Phylogenetic tree analysis, the softwares that are used, well, in a concise manner, because this book is a textbook. So if you are going to write all these things in a single book, that book is about 727 pages, and so you have to classify how many pages you can utilize for a particular subject area. So there is limitation, and considering that this book is going to be the best book, I think, and probably it will be not an exaggeration of my thought, that this is going to be really a good book and you should have it. So when the book will come in my hand about 1 month from now, it has gone for print. So I was busy in correcting that portion of the second volume of that book. So that's why I could not make any videos, but I will start from tomorrow, maybe the next day. I will continue to make videos on the way that I was going on a series of on paleobotany. I will. So the first lecture that will be after this break will be on geological time scale. See you there. Thank you very much.